Zoek Online Job Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Zoek, a relatively new job platform that aims to streamline the job search process with its advanced AI-powered features. As always, I've added the link to Zoek in the description below, so make sure to check that out for direct access. Zoek is a job search platform that stands out because of its cutting-edge technology. The platform uses artificial intelligence to match job seekers with relevant job opportunities, providing a more personalized experience compared to traditional job boards. As soon as you sign up, the system analyzes your resume and preferences to recommend jobs that align with your skills and qualifications. One of the platform's key features is its AI-powered job matching. Unlike other job boards, where you manually sift through listings, Zoek helps you find jobs that are tailored to your profile. Whether you're a professional in IT, marketing, finance, or design, Zoek delivers highly accurate job suggestions based on your experience, location, and career goals. This personalized approach is what sets Zoek apart from many other job platforms out there. Additionally, Zoek also offers job alerts, so you can stay updated on new opportunities as they come in. The platform allows you to filter by job type, salary range, and location, so you can focus on the listings that matter most to you. And with a clean, intuitive user interface, it's easy to navigate and find the perfect fit. Another cool feature is the Zoek Resume Builder. It allows you to create a professional, optimized resume that's ready to send to employers. You can directly apply to jobs through the platform, streamlining the application process. One downside to note is that Zoek is still growing, which means that it doesn't have the same extensive network of job listings as some larger platforms. However, it's definitely a solid option for those who are looking for a more tailored job search experience. To wrap it up, Zoek is a great choice for job seekers who want a smarter, more personalized approach to finding their next role. The AI-powered matching and resume building tools make it a unique and efficient platform. If you're tired of endlessly scrolling through job boards, give Zoek a try. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to explore more. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.